Hey y'all, let's make some blue cheese salad dressing that I'm going to use for dip for these chicken wings that we cooked in the air fryer. And you can scroll back one video and see that. But I just warmed up three flats in there, so we're going to do as a taste test in a little bit. But this recipe is in my first cookbook, and it's so good with an old-fashioned vintage iceberg wedge salad. But you have a half a cup of mayonnaise and a half a cup of, let me see here, hang on a minute. I'm going to use a different spatula for this. And a half a cup of sour cream. Just going to put this together like this. Now this will stay good in the refrigerator 2 or 3 days. I usually make stuff up like this right before we eat it, or enough time that it gets to get with itself and get the flavors all up together and being friends and whatnot. So there we go. Done with this. Okay, now I'm going to add about a tablespoon of fresh lemon, and you can use, and this is not going to fit in there, is it? It is not going to fit in there. All right, we're going to do it this way. This is my major plan. We're going to try to catch those seeds. Okay. There we go. That looks like enough. Let me get rid of this too. Okay, now I have about 2 large cloves of garlic that I have mashed together, minced up. Now you can use the garlic in the jar if you would like to do that. It's perfectly acceptable. And I'm going to use about a half teaspoon or several really good dashes of some Worcestershire sauce. That looks like a plenty right there. And about 3 good dashes of your favorite hot sauce, tobacco sauce. That's disgusting. Unless you had a wasper sting or something like that. So anyway, Tabasco sauce or Louisiana hot sauce. So anyway, let's 1, 2. That looks good. Okay, now we'll get this mixed up and see if I need to use my whisk. I'm going to try not to. We got too many things dirty already. We sure do. Now, blue cheese salad dressing is not something that I grew up eating. Daddy liked French, and so that's what we had when we had salads. And so, blue cheese was not on my radar. But as I've gotten older, I decided that I like it. One of my very favorite things with blue cheese is to put it on top of a steak when you get through cooking it, and put it under a broiler real quick and let it kind of get one with itself. And it's so good. Delicious. Okay. Now, let's just get us some blue cheese. Now here I'm going to use about 3 tablespoons. And let's see here. Some of these are really large, and I'm not going to be too concerned about that. Now if I was doing not a Cobb salad, if I was doing a something that you need it really ground up small, I would just chop it like you do garlic. But it's going to be fine for this. And you can just kind of eyeball how much. And you can taste it and adjust. So let's just get this all kind of mixed around real good. Okay. This is going to be delicious. And this is such an old school thing. And I love to put it with some celery along with the chicken wings. It's just such an old vintage thing. So get our popsicle stick out and see how we need to adjust it. Stop the presses. That's pretty doggone good right there. It's got a little tang from the lemon and the mayonnaise, sour cream, and everything just goes together so well. So let's just get some of our chicken wings out of the old air fryer here. And we'll just do us a little taste test. There we go. Shut. There. Sometimes you got to talk to it, don't you? Okay, I'm going to use the same spoon. And I'm going to put some here on my plate. This is going to be delicious, y'all. Let's get us a little bite. And you could serve some sliced radishes along with it if you wanted to too. So let's see what we think. I could live off this kind of food, y'all. It's so good. That is divine. Okay. I'll put a link to my website, and you can order these cookbooks there. They have several salad dressings in them that don't have any MSG in it or anything like that. Doesn't have any bad mojo in it. And I'll put that in here and everything. So this is really good. I hope your team wins. I hope you enjoy the big game. I hope you make you some wings. And the printable recipe for this blue cheese salad dressing will be on my website, KimmySouthernCooking.com, where I have over 100 printable recipes on that website that I designed all by myself. You could sure teach an old dog new tricks. I'll see you next time. Y'all go do something fun. I'll talk to you next time. Bye, y'all.